Hey y'all, it's Maverick's Way. Thanks for watching my channel. Today we will be unboxing my first AR-15. Okay, so I've got it pulled up on the internet, and this is an ACI 15556 Bravo 16 Mod 0. It's an OD green. I'm going to read off some of the specs here on it. It's got a 1.7 twist, M4 feed ramp, QPQ corrosion resistant finish. It's got a 1/2 inch by 28 threaded muzzle brake, a 15-inch M-lock handguard, forward assist and ejection port assembly, a 70-75 forged lower, and it's got a missions first tactical minimalist stock and a missions first tactical engage pistol grip. Alright, let's pull it out of the box and get a closer look at it. Go ahead and clear this. It's got an ambidextrous safety on it, the minimalist buttstock, and the custom pistol grip with storage in it. It's got an M-lock rail with Picatinny on top and a muzzle brake on the front. Let's open up this box here and see what all's in it. Alright. In the package deal that I got, it comes with 3 30-round magazines. I'll open them up here in a second. A badge, made in America, ACI. A gun lock. An ACI sticker. And the instruction. ACI is out of Florida, and right now these are marked down from $8.99. They've been marked down to $6.99, and this is my very first AR-15 rifle. I'm planning on building this for a close to mid-range gun. I do plan on getting another one later for a long range, but for right now this is going to be my close to mid-range rifle. If y'all have any suggestions on what kind of optics or accessories to put on here, let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate it. Now let's check out the magazines here. When I ordered this, I thought I was just getting one magazine. Surprise, I ended up getting 3. This is a MFT, Mission First Tactical. It's a 5.56 or 223 polymer magazine, 30 round capacity. There it is. It's got stippling on it and a little bit flared on the bottom. That's what it looks like in the gun. Thanks for watching.